and today I'm making Slimeberry Pudding for my family. And Bridget's here for dinner too. Oh, gross. Oh, delicious. Hi, boys and girls. It's Vampirina here. And today I'm making Slimeberry Pudding for my family. And Bridget's here for dinner too. I really hope she likes it. Come on, let's make some! These are the colors we have. Blue, yellow, pink, purple, and green. I think one of my mom's favorite colors is blue. And I think this flavor is blue raspberry. Let's put it in the blue bowl and get started. Wow, it's really squishy. Ew! But pretty, it's got glitter already. Okay, let's put it in the bowl. Ooh, gross! Look at this though, we have different flavors of fruit to add. Let's put some of that in. Looks like oranges, limes, lemons, strawberries, watermelon, and kiwi. Gotta mix it all up. So sticky. They're popping out everywhere. Cool, look, you can see all the fruit. Yum, yum. And to top it off, I think we'll add some blueberries. Or should I say slugberries? Sprinkle it on top. Oh, so pretty. This dish is beautiful. Cool. Okay, so Mom's slugberry pudding is all taken care of. Let's just put this aside and then we'll make Dad's. Okay, yellow, pink, purple, or green. Let's do yellow and we'll put it in the red cup. Cool. Ready, squeeze! Oh, gross! This must be lemon flavored or maybe pineapple since those fruit are yellow. What would Dad like to add? How about some marshmallows? I'm gonna sprinkle them on top, but I think I wanna mix them all in together. So sweet and gummy. Doop, doop. That looks delicious! Dad doesn't like too many flavors, but I think he'll like this. And, oh, I have an idea! I'm gonna add a little gummy worm on top! Of course. Doing! He's gonna love it. Okay, now it's time to make Bridget's. We have pink, purple, and green left. I think I'll do pink to match her shirt. Look at those sparkles. I love slime. Whoa, this one's really pretty. You can almost see right through it. Hello! Okay, let's put it in the bucket. Squish, 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 squish. But what else can I add? I know. How about glitter? Let's see, we have blue, gold, silver, purple, green, and red. I think with pink, how about silver and purple? Ooh, she's gonna love it. It's like a unicorn slime dessert. Ooh. 1, 2, 3. Wow. And now it's time for purple. Ooh. Wow. Purple. That is just gorgeous. I think I'll put some pink gumballs on top. Ooh, so much pink. Pretty. Now we'll mix it all together. Squish, squish, squish. Whoa. This looks so cool and sparkly. Whee! Okay, I think Bridget's Slimeberry Pudding is all ready for her. Now, who am I forgetting? Oh yeah, myself. I think I want to do purple slime in the purple bucket. Cool, let's get it. Squish, squish, squish. Always so squishy. Get it out of my face! Okay, sorry, I need to stop playing with my food. What to add to mine? Definitely glitter. Let's do blue and gold. Here comes the gold. Whee! Wow, it looks like real gold. And blue. Ooh, wow! It's like the night sky. Let's squish it in. Ooh! Wow, so sparkly. Whee! This looks like a unicorn slime too. Cool, all set. Wait, but I think I want to add some rainbow gumballs! So beautiful. I can't wait to eat it. Yum! Okay, looks like they're all set. I got Mom's Slimeberry Pudding with slug berries, fruit, and blue slime. I got my Slimeberry Pudding with gumballs, sparkly purple slime, and deliciousness! Now I have Bridget's pink slime with pink gumballs and glitter, and Dad's yellow slime with white marshmallows and a gummy worm! Okay, remember boys and girls, don't actually eat slime. Only vampires can do that. And Bridget, just for tonight. Okay, everyone, your slime pudding is ready! Yum, 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 yum. Oh my goodness. Wow, Vampirina, you really made a delicious dessert. Oh, and we all have something different and unique. Oh, just like us. Wow, Vampirina! Let's all try it and say what we think. I had so much fun making it, Mom. I just hope Bridget likes it. Yeah, we'll see about that. I'll try mine first, dear. It looks incredible. Oh, delicious. Ooh, there's an orange in there. Oh, Vampirina! This is the best Slimeberry pudding I have ever tasted in my entire life. Sorry, it's just very good. Time for me to give it a taste. Oh, I should have got a spoon. This is very sticky. Okay, I need a spoon. Oh, much better. Thank you. Ooh, marshmallows, interesting. With lemon flavor. And, of course, the gummy worm. Vampirina, I give you an A+. Perfection, my dear. Vampirina, I don't know if I want to try Slimeberry Pudding. I don't think I'll like it. But Bridget, I made it just for you. And why don't you just try something new? It's good for you. I don't know if Slimeberry Pudding's very good for me. But Oh, please? You can just try a little bit. Fine, but I might not like it, just so you know. That's fine, I'll just eat it if you don't like it. Okay. Okay, Mom, Dad, get ready. Bridget's about to try Slimeberry Pudding! Oh, okay, here goes. It is awfully pretty. Looks like a unicorn made it or something. Let's see. Vampirina, it's not even... Oh, okay. It came off the spoon. I'm good. Okay. Hey, not bad. It tastes like bubblegum. Ooh, I really like it, Vampirina. Oops. yeah, I like it. Okay. Yay, I knew you would. Isn't it nice to try something new? Especially when it comes to food. Yeah, for sure. I'm gonna start trying new foods all the time now. You should. I can make you so many cool things. Newt nuggets, slugberry cookies, all kinds of stuff. Oh, all right.
Thanks for trying it, Bridget. I know our family eats a little bit different than yours.
Yeah, we'll have to have you all over for dinner sometime.
For sure. I love trying human food.
Oh, we make the best.
Yes, dear. But let's stop talking about it. Let's eat.
Yay! Hooray! Thank you, boys and girls, for helping me make Slimeberry Pudding for my family and Bridget. Yeah, thank you. I love it. I'm so excited I tried it. Hooray! Come on. We need to finish this. Yeah, you're right. Come on, let's go.
Let us know if you'd like to see more Vampirina videos in the comments. And if you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe or hit the like button below. Thank you so much, everyone.